selling behind the then I'm watching like Ronnie. The top go out to the granny. This nigga pull up your bandit. The killers understand it.
Hello everybody. Darkipliers, same brother. Welcome back to another reaction video. Today we're reacting to a FNAF SFM short Chainsaw Family Force 5 Chainsaw, I believe. Family Force 5 Chainsaw. So yeah, and this animation is by XxwolfXx K. And this video was just by KCTheGamer. Go check him out. He's awesome. Yeah, so yeah. And plus, sorry that I've been doing uploads lately. Been a bit busy ever since the Hurricane Irma has been spotted. Well, not spotted, but has hit Florida and everything. And is coming for Georgia, which is where I am right now. So yeah. So yes, possibly I won't upload tomorrow. Which, this will probably be the only video for today. Well, you get the point because of the hurricane. I really hope that nothing bad happens to me or my family. So yeah, I'm really worried about that. Let's get right into this. So this upload won't take so long. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Watch it learn. Get that thing cranking, yeah, slash, burn. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, back, crank it, back, bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like
that neck though on Nightmare Fun Time, Freddy. Boy, that neck though. Oh god, baby, what the? Oh my god, I hate this. That was creepy. Did you not know that? No. I'm gonna do that one.
Watch it learn.
I'm gonna do that one later. Because I still haven't seen that song yet, or seen the animation. So yeah, guys. That was the FNAF, the short SFM. The short SFM short Chainsaw Family Force 5. I'm gonna put SFM short Family Force 5 Chainsaw, because that's what I think it says. Alright guys, well, if you like this video, make sure you punch that like button in the face for me, if you would. Comment down below on what I should react to next, and I'll see you next reaction video. Bye-bye!
Did you miss me?